Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from JEE Mains 2025 January attempt. A massless spring gets elongated by an amount x1 under a tension of 5 Newton. Its elongation is x2 under the tension of 7 Newton. For the elongation of 5x1 minus 2x2, the tension in the spring will be. So student, you know about a spring. When a spring is hanging and we hang a mass m on this spring, its length increases by x. Let it increase by x1, then you know that F equal to minus kx, restoring force equal to minus kx. So using this concept, the amount of elongation is x1, so kx1, and force is given to us 5 Newton, and when amount of elongation is x2, so kx2, k is the spring constant, minus kx2 equal to 7. So now the elongation is given to us 5x1 minus 2x2 minus kx minus k, and force is required. Force or tension is required. Therefore we can get tension minus 5 into kx1 minus plus 2 into kx2. Now putting this value, minus 5, kx1 is minus 5. If you take kx1 equal to minus 5 and kx2 equal to minus 7. So putting this value, 2 into kx2 is minus 7. So minus 5 into minus 5, this is 25 plus 25, and 2 7 is 14. So this is 25 minus 14, 1, 11. 11 Newton is the tension or force by which the elongation become 5x1 minus 2x2. So this is the answer, 11 Newton. C is the correct option of this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.